Hello everyone, welcome back to LTech. If your inbox looks anything like mine used to, it's probably a chaotic mess of unread emails, useless promotions, unimportant messages buried somewhere deep inside. But not to worry, because today I'm going to show you time-saving and productivity boosting tips to clean up your Gmail and Outlook inbox and keep it that way. Let's jump right in. Tip number one, change inbox tab view. In the past, I spent majority of my time separating high priority emails from everything else. Now I let the email app do that for me. First up, let's tackle Gmail. Do you know Gmail has a feature that can automatically sort your emails into categories like primary, social, and promotions? Here is how to set it up. Open Gmail on your computer and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select See All Settings. Go to the Inbox tab. Under the Inbox type, select Default. Then check the categories you want, like promotions or updates. And most importantly, don't forget to hit Save Changes at the bottom. Now that your setting is saved, Gmail will automatically sort your messages, making it easier to find what matters most. If Gmail, for any reason, places a message into the wrong category, train the algorithm by dragging that message to the preferred tab. Simple, right? Outlook has a similar feature called Focus Inbox, which separate important emails from everything else. In Outlook, go to View and select View Settings. Under the main layout, choose the account you want to manage. Turn on Sort Messages into Focused and Order. With this setting, you will now see tabs at the top labeled Focused and Order. Check the Order tab occasionally, and if an important message ends up there, just right-click and move it to the Focus tab. Tip number 2, turn on notification for important emails. If you're worried about missing crucial emails, you can fine-tune your notification to only alert you about the most important messages. In Gmail, go to Settings and tap on Email Notifications. Choose Important Mail Notification on to get alert for crucial emails. In Outlook, go to Settings, then Notifications. Select for account that have focused inbox. Include only focused messages. Tip number 3, turn emails into task. Sometimes an email isn't just a message. It is a task. Instead of letting it sit in your inbox, turn it into a to-do item. In Gmail, select an email, then click the task icon to add it to your task list. You can even set a due date or add sub-task. In Outlook, flag an email to add it to your Microsoft To-Do app, where you can set reminders and deadlines. Tip number 4, use Clean Email for a fresh start. Now, if your inbox is truly out of control, you might need a hard reset. That's where apps like Clean Email comes in. First, connect your email account to the app It supports Gmail, Outlook, and many more. Clean Email will group messages by type, like newsletters, social media notifications, and suggest which to delete or unsubscribe from. My Gmail account, Clean Email suggested deleting email notification from Wall Street Journal, Google Play, and others. Use the big bold button to delete mail in bulk or unsubscribe with ease. This service will analyze a limited number of messages free. After that, it is $10 a month or $30 a year for the premium version. According to the company's privacy policy, Clean Email can't see your email login credentials, which are encrypted, and it says it will never share, give away, sell, analyze, anonymize, or otherwise use your data. A word of caution, though. Before using Clean Email for work account, check with your IT administrator. Tip number 5. Use a burner email for spam prevention. Lastly, here's a bonus tip to keep spam out of your inbox in the future. Use a disposable email address for things like signing up for free Wi-Fi or downloading a free ebook. Sites like 10-minute mail give you a temporary email that disappears after 10 minutes. Problem solved. Why a burner email won't help you climb your current mountain of email? It could stop the summit from getting any higher. And that's all I have for you today, friends. A clean inbox on a clean mind. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips. Let me know in the comments how you manage your email chaos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.